This is what you've all been waiting for. You can now edit a worksheet after it's been assigned. Let me show you how to do this. First, you want to go up to Actions, and then you want to go to Edit Content. After that, you'll notice that it opens it up like it typically would, but it'll say you are in answer key mode. If you click on More, it will go over everything for you. So I really like how clear TeacherMade makes this for you. So if you need to change the version of the worksheet, it's better to make a copy. But now we can move or resize an item. You can change the point value for an item and changing it to do not score. You can also change the correct answer for items such as multiple choice, drop down, and checkbox, which is huge because sometimes I forget to click the correct answer or need to change it, and I wasn't able to before. Now you can. You can also change, add, or remove correct answers for items such as short answer, number, and fraction, change the correct linking for matching items, and add or remove buttons and groups. So just these three things to keep in mind. You cannot create any new items, you cannot remove any item, or you cannot change the number of elements in a multiple choice, drop down, or checkbox item. So just three cannots, and look at all these cans that you can do now. Super exciting. So I'm going to push OK here, and then you can go through and edit your worksheet. I can scroll down here, and if I chose the incorrect answer, I can go back and choose the correct one. After you change your answer, you can also go up to Edit Multiple Choice, and you can change your point value here. So I'm just going to change it to 2 and push Save Changes. After that, you can come up here and exit out. Then you'll notice that it prompts you and says that the worksheet has been changed, and there are external scores to update. So you'd click here to resolve, click on your assignment, and click on Update Scores. Now all the scores were successfully updated. So if you have any worksheets you need to go back and edit, now's your time to do so. Thanks, TeacherMade.